Looking for the best 3D printer to bring your ideas to life? Whether you're a hobbyist, a professional, or just getting started, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll count down the 5 best 3D printers you can get right now, each packed with amazing features, precision, and value. Stay tuned, and don't forget to check the links in the description for more details and the latest deals. Let's dive in. Number 5. Anycubic Photon Mono 2. The Anycubic Photon Mono 2 is a game changer for anyone looking to step into the world of resin 3D printing. With its 6.6-inch 4K plus monochrome LCD, this printer delivers incredible precision and sharp details, making it perfect for miniatures, prototypes, and intricate designs. One of its standout features is the improved light uniformity, ensuring consistent curing and smoother prints with fewer layer lines. Plus, the larger build volume compared to its predecessor means you can print bigger models without sacrificing quality. Setting up the Photon Mono 2 is a breeze, even for beginners. The user-friendly interface and Anycubic Photon Workshop software make slicing and printing simple. The upgraded anti-scratch film on the screen enhances durability, giving your printer a longer lifespan. Speed is another strong point. Thanks to its monochrome screen, curing times are significantly faster than older RGB models, reducing print times while maintaining excellent resolution. And with high-quality UV light sources, you get consistent exposure, ensuring accuracy in every layer. Worried about fumes? Pair it with an air purifier for a safer and more comfortable workspace. Whether you're a hobbyist or a pro, the Anycubic Photon Mono 2 offers a perfect balance of affordability, precision, and ease of use. If you're ready to take your resin printing to the next level, this machine is definitely worth considering. Number 4. Elegoo Mars 3. The Elegoo Mars 3 is a game-changer in the world of resin 3D printing, offering professional-grade quality at a budget-friendly price. Equipped with a 6.6-inch 4K monochrome LCD screen, it delivers an impressive 4098 x 2560 resolution, ensuring sharp details and ultra-smooth surfaces. Whether you're printing miniatures, prototypes, or custom parts, the Mars 3 consistently produces crisp and precise results. One of its biggest advantages is the powerful COB UV LED light source, which provides even exposure across the entire print area. This means better accuracy, improved layer adhesion, and fewer failed prints. Plus, with an improved heat dissipation system, the printer runs efficiently and extends the life of the LCD screen. The Mars 3 offers a larger build volume of 143 x 89 x 175 mm, giving you more space to print bigger models or multiple smaller ones at once. Its sandblasted build plate enhances adhesion, reducing print failures and making removal easier. Additionally, the upgraded Chitubox slicing software ensures faster, more optimized print preparation. With a sleek design, user-friendly interface, and exceptional print quality, the Elegoo Mars 3 is perfect for beginners and professionals alike. If you're looking for a reliable, high-resolution resin printer that delivers consistent performance without breaking the bank, the Mars 3 is an excellent choice. Number 3. Creality Ender 3 V3 SE. The Creality Ender 3 V3 SE is a feature-packed 3D printer designed for both beginners and experienced makers. With its automatic bed leveling and strain sensor-assisted Z offset, this printer takes the hassle out of calibration, ensuring precise first layers every time. No more manual adjustments, just start printing with confidence. Powered by a high-speed direct drive extruder, the Ender 3 V3 SE handles various filaments with ease, from PLA and PETG to TP, making it perfect for flexible and high-detail prints. With a 220 x 220 x 250 m build volume, it offers plenty of space to bring your ideas to life. Speed is a major highlight of this model. The Ender 3v3SA can print at up to 250 mA/s, significantly reducing waiting times without sacrificing print quality. Combined with its dual Z-axis design, this ensures smoother, more stable prints even for taller models. User-friendliness is another strong point. The new UI interface makes navigation simple, while the magnetic PEI build plate allows easy print removal, preventing damage to your creations. Whether you're a hobbyist, educator, or small business owner, the Creality Ender 3v3 SA delivers fast, reliable, and high-quality prints at an affordable price. With its smart features and solid build, this printer is an excellent choice for anyone looking to dive into hassle-free 3D printing. Number 2. Prusa MK4S. The Prusa MK4S is a cutting-edge 3D printer built for makers who demand top-tier quality, reliability, and ease of use. As the latest evolution of Prusa's iconic MK series, this printer delivers a seamless printing experience with advanced features that cater to both beginners and professionals. Equipped with a 32-bit control board and next-generation Trinamic stepper drivers, the MK4S offers whisper, quiet operation, and unparalleled precision. The automatic mesh bed leveling ensures perfect first layers, eliminating the need for manual adjustments. Plus, the new high-flow Houghton allows for faster printing speeds while maintaining incredible detail. One of the biggest highlights of the MK4S is its improved direct drive extruder, which enhances filament handling, making it ideal for materials like PLAPE, ETGAB, and flexible TPU. Combined with the removable PEI-coated spring steel build plate, print adhesion is flawless, and removing finished models is effortless. The Prusa also features an upgraded power recovery system, so you won't lose a print due to power outages. Additionally, the intuitive Prusa Connect system enables remote monitoring and control, keeping your prints running smoothly from anywhere. With industry-leading print quality, smart automation, and a rock-solid build, the Prusa is a game-changer in 3D printing. Whether you're an enthusiast or a professional, this printer delivers consistent, high-quality results every time. Number 1. Bambu Lab X1. The Bambu Lab X1 is redefining what's possible in 3D printing with cutting-edge AI technology, blazing fast speeds, and unmatched precision. Designed for professionals, hobbyists, and creators alike, this printer delivers top-tier performance with a seamless user experience. At the heart of the X1 is its Core XY motion system, allowing for printing speeds of up to 500 m/s without compromising quality. Combined with an all-metal direct drive extruder, it handles a wide range of materials, including PLAA, BSPETG, TPPU, and carbon fiber-infused filaments with ease. One of the standout features is its AI-powered LiDAR scanning system, which performs real-time calibration and first-layer inspection to ensure flawless prints every time. No more failed prints, just consistent, high-quality results. The active vibration compensation further enhances precision, reducing ringing and layer shifts. The Bambu Lab X1 also boasts a fully enclosed chamber, maintaining temperature stability for improved material adhesion. Plus, with its automatic multi-material system, AMS, you can print in up to 4 colors or materials seamlessly without manual filament swaps. User-friendliness is a key focus, with a touchscreen interface, remote monitoring via the Bambu Handy app, and smart sensors to keep your prints running smoothly. If you're looking for a next-generation 3D printer that offers speed, accuracy, and innovation, the Bambu Lab X1 is a true game changer.